Hi guys, this is 2008 Mazda 3. So this car had the problem, the noise in the fuel pump. So we start the car. When you hit it, the petrol pump, so this is underneath the car. You can hear the noise. It's coming out the inside of the fuel tank. When hitting the tank, noise is gone. So you can hear the PLE noise in the inside tank. So we open the top cover. Okay, here the fuel filter is near the tank. Fuel pump side. Off this. After this fuel pump, the 10mm bolt in here. You can see the line go up there. You need to off in here. Yeah, off the charcoal canister in here. One clip. Off this two connector in here, and you can see the one bolt in here, another two, one is here, so number 12. Okay, you get the tank out. So it's a 3-bolt holding here. So this is the fuel pump inside. You need to off this retainer. Press the clips and take it out. Okay, we need this tool. It's called the center wrench. So this is the minimum. This is the maximum. We need to between in here. We need to tighten this arrow mark. Okay, this is a pump. Okay, we can off the back. Okay, you can see. This is the problem, is the faulty the fuel pump. So we're just replacing only this part only. Okay guys, here's the new pump. Okay, here's the strainer. All good. Okay, we're going to install the thing. You can see the inside. Okay, pump in already. There's another O-ring in here. Install this thing. Okay. We tied the retainer. Let's come to the maximum mark in here. Okay guys, if I'll install the tank, we're going to start the car. Then have a look, is the noise still there? Start. Okay, we start the car. Okay guys, we start the car. It's no noise in here. Okay, nothing here on any noise. Okay, all good. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.